DJ militants, you go, you attack. I will know whether massacre valid or invalid, brother. This is a fly over your head. When you come here for me take side with massacre or cartel or Tamili or whatever, this bigger than one, brethren. It's bigger than one, be. It's bigger than one. Understand that one. It's deeper than what you're the brother. When you can go and take up massacre war for one head with cartel, because when I go shame, you know. When you see two of them in the studio, when I go shame. I just think the young alpha male just show a muscle. I just saw it go in the kingdom. The young lion. I make it old lion know say, yo, I'm ready for take over. I just say go. Somebody don't want to buy it up on yourself, bro. That be. That. You see? You have to understand, when Raider this jockey used to walk, go a studio way, producer get ready for release the rhythm, and go so and say, that song not for release, that song not sound good, that song not sound good, that, and take off song off a juggling. You have to know the system where man say you vice per rhythm, them not vice the producer. Or if them vice the producer can advise you. You have to know them thing the youth. You don't understand them thing there. It's bigger than one man. When some youth go through boy a virgin, as strong them strong to survive. Remember that. Remember say, you know, Lexus was one of the baddest DJ, you know. Mr. Lex was one of the baddest DJ. And when them say them can't slim for, when them say them shut him out for, because I'm a bow cat. And that them say them shut him out for, you know. Then you think milk is making up stuff? You think some milk, one of the most article girls, one of the realest woman we ever come across our music industry, a Milk Sewell. Y'all think she making shit up? But them cancel Lexus, say my freak. Because he was a threat. And he never go under them regime, he never go under them system. To join up with them to bring down other youths. Understand that. Remember me tell you that. When you see them try stigmatize enough man name and batty up artist name and all them things there, are them system at play. Them know say once you start call you batty man and them something there and them say it long enough, till some people start say, yeah man, a real thing man, him a batty man. Yeah, where do you think they get that from? This system. Them are just workers. You are just worker. You are just a worker. You understand that? You are just a worker. Know that. I just work, you just work for them. To strengthen them systems so they can attack enough of the youth. Know that. Foota Hype them a part of the system, you know. That's why Foota Hype them miserable. Foota Hype miserable, you know. I said create him, you know, to destroy, you know. But before Foota Hype, remember them tried to destroy Moses Davis. Remember, you know, I just because Moses Davis did have Patrick Roberts them. If Moses Davis never have Patrick Roberts them, we are street people, there will be no Beenie Man. If you understand that, you will get to youth and him grow rough. And him skillful. And through all of that, them created a thing where every opportunity them get them try rub him out. I try to cancel him. And him always rise above them. No matter how them try. It's like every try them try to get rid of Beenie Man. Beenie Man just always rise above them. Always rise above them. Always defeat them, obstacles them. All the time. At one point when the system do a song and Beenie Man do a when Beenie Man and the system do clash tunes, like the Beenie Man have a song and the system have a song. The selector them get program and want to watch this carefully, and anybody who follow music can understand this. Zane? Dapat na niyam shitang kuma fa platform man ya say gigas and you on the platform. Don't you on a platform I call somebody gigas. If you think said a man gay, where you on the platform? You just want people know say you're gay? Calm down, bridging, and no come on the platform be. No. Watch ya. When the man them, when Beenie Man go against the system, Zane, or when the system I try rub him out. Beenie Man do a this song and the system of a this song. Every selector get programmed to play the Beenie Man first and then play the system song to defeat the Beenie Man song. And every dance you go and everywhere you go, the selector then play the Beenie Man and then them play the system tune. To make it look like say the system tune or the big tune. Every time. The thing we see of Beenie Man record a whole heap. He record for enough people and who were bad with him there, he go find it. And him keep finding hit songs, and the hit songs them bust outside of Jamaica. So if them try roll out Beenie Man of Jamaica, Beenie Man bigger Costa Rica, in bigger England, in bigger Europe, in bigger Africa, in big worldwide. And Beenie Man find songs like Zim Zim of them, Romy them, and them tune them. We got Billboard chart. Know that. So if they did up to them, there will be no Beenie Man. You better know that. As strong is strong. Real entertainer. We know for entertain people. And enough. So we go rightish for them there. Go party rightish for them there. Go drink liquor rightish for them there. Kind brave. And he have the defense. So them could style him up and kick him down. Know that? Is it kind of street youth? But them try. Just know that. Them no want to see no youth make it another something here if them never hand in it. And you have to bow down and praise them too. You have to bow down and praise them. You have to worship them. You have to go tell the world about it. Enough youth. And God to come and say, the system give me the break, you know. And the system give me the break because them know say you, the workers for the system, I will give them some form of ratings. Say, yeah man, a system you with them. So I could give them the ratings too. You see? And that I think. So let's watch a ball field. Watch a playing ground. And look and see what them do. Let's look and see how them operate and how them been operating. Know that. You see? Anything, well then can hold them, then hold down. One tier than Cartel no bad mind youth. And make up that youth. Cartel no bad mind. You just make up that. He's a fan of massacre virgin. Keep it musical youth. Cartel no bad mind. Cartel no bad mind. Cartel is a businessman. Understand that? He's a businessman. So Only just see that bad mind. Cartel can't bad mind. Come in, that's not for them look you have a boss too. So in bad mind. No bad mind. He's a businessman. Is it? So I don't know how you get bad mind in that brethren. Now listen, massacre does a strike. As a strike, a brethren. Stop getting involved in the leg off your emotion, brethren. Leg off your feelings, brethren. Is it? But here we go on. You say if Cartel bad mind, him learn it from the system. So if you say bad mind, brethren, at the system you get it from. But I think Sam is reformed. I think the person who we are see right now is a great person. I think he's a decent human being. Go forward and now get himself on a problem. And I do him thing and I travel the world and I sell out venues. And I do some things that some man never did do, boy. Yeah. Even though him voice no come back 100% yet, because him still no reach back get back the top end pan him voice yet. But he might do some things where them never do. They never do and them hate it. But them love the perks where come off it because now them here say he might charge this and he might charge that, and when they might jam the promoter then they say, yo, this more you know, nah move. Cartel make them come know so they can charge X amount of money for stage show. Remember that. Is it? Remember me tell you that. Cartel make them can forward and clear them bills. It's about bad mind. Sometimes, brethren, we have to look at opportunities. We have to look at how you can make things better for yourself too. Go fend for yourself. The man create a path and make the people you know say you must get equal pay for your work. But before Cartel at 30,000 and them money that them there for sure. 30,000 and 20,000. Come on, brethren. He created the opportunity for them start get some 200 and some 250 and some 500 and some 400. Don't tell me about that business, ya brethren. I live in it. Cut a year. Cartel come and draw a big crowd in a venue and make promoters see that and say, yeah, it's possible for other artists to do that. We can package 1, 4, 5 artists and draw back the same crowd. Case in point, CJ Milan, she bring Cartel must about 3 times and it sell out. When she look on Cartel full out Barclays Arena, she put 1, 5, 6 away on a show and give one, and as she had the first smarty combo here. When make artists know say, this are your worth. As she make some man know, say them can earn over 100,000. Come on, man. After about Cartel bad man, we don't go with that. We're me not depend that. Another reason there be. We are talking about the system we massacre talk about. No matter feel like say through your boss, it can shut you off. No matter feel like say through your boss, fighting around there. No matter things say through your boss, opportunities are not tampered with. Them still alive. Them still active. See it? When I tap up the screen and I make them report live. Enough youth have to go to the system to get them break. Groomers wanking. He have to go to the system to get him break, but he comes so boom now and realize say yo, he want to hold him one little lane like TJ. Understand the thing now, brethren. Enough little youth have to go to the source. You know what I mean? Say them go there and them want to stay. But the opportunity. But when them go and them realize say them have to bow under man regime. When they go and they realize say them have to bow under man orders. When they go and they realize that's how the system run. Them say, yo, me hold me one little lane. I mean I run with no bag of friend. I mean I ray. You see? Let's understand that, no man. Massacre now try bring down Cartel, virgin, you're not too sensitive, man. Calm down, man. Cartel that try bring down Ninja Man. When he kick down Ninja Man, brethren. Calm down, man. I'm not too sensitive, man. Look, Cartel always shame me fans, them, you know. I want to learn. You know, always shame, you know. You know, always shame, you know. Everybody want to say, yo, the man there on Cartel, and the man there at this Cartel, when you look at the Cartel and them, they are stage show. I'm not too sensitive, man. Everything we see Cartel do over the years, I system we learn it from. So I'm forward now and I realize I'm going to do more space. And I'm do more like a tour, and I'm do more like a thing, and I'm quiet and I'm not trouble nobody. But him have to get a wake up call. Him have to make the youth have to make him know, so you are the king, you know, so you know, so there. You have to take off the crown off your head, you know. So dance all go virgin. Cartel can't take that personal. Cartel can't take that personal. Cartel have to just take the beating there. If you know an answer, he just have to just let it go. I just saw it go. I dance all it name, and no, and a youth I go want take the throne, virgin. A youth a go want, a new king will go want take over, brethren. Stop getting down the feelings and get so sensitive with music be. That's how I go fight people over music. That's how I go out there go disrespect people over artists. And them things when you don't get enough sense, no problem. We go fight man a war man over foolishness. Only not even know the artist them. Right now, I can't call myself on the phone or call Cartel on the phone. I'm not ready to go on the internet go war with man over phone, over artists. Is it? So, I'm not interested in no bad mind talk and no way. I tell you, say, yo, the system where the man talk about it really goes off a true system there. We well done, enough youth to black, enough youth to stop, enough youth. Where if you not bow under them regime, you get cancelled out. You get blacklisted. You see? Remember when Black Rhino and Cartel them mash up? Remember say nobody no play no Black Rhino. Excuse me. You think that Cartel would have to call and get order? Say no play no Black Rhino? When enough you diss back some man with this them in the music, you think say them have to call and say, yo, don't play the man there? The system done in place already be. All you are part of the system will come and talk about, yo, Gaza, me say, no boy, this Gaza got dead. You are part of the system too. You are just a worker. No for the little girl them way, they do on Cartel. When the man Cartel thing mash up, don't play them again. Cartel have to call and tell them, say, yo, no play them, you know. A system done in place already, and a system that they bought before Cartel forward. You have to know that. If Cartel never bad, when him left the system, they would have said don't play no Cartel. But actually him bad, I mean talk about real bad. Real bad. Them not play, them won't play no Cartel. But them afraid of conk.